Okay, this is for people who can't stop thinking. If your mind keeps running, if you overthink everything, this is for you. Because the problem is not your thoughts. The problem is you don't know how to interrupt them. So I'm going to show you something very simple but powerful. And I want you to do it with me right now. Sit still and look straight. Pick one point in front of you. Anything. Now, don't move your eyes. Keep them locked on the one point. No blinking if you can. Just hold. Now something is going to happen. Your thoughts will try to come in. Don't fight them. Just keep your eyes fixed. Stay there. 10 seconds, 20 seconds. And you will notice something. Your thoughts start slowing down because your attention is no longer jumping. It's locked. And when attention is locked, the mind has less space to run. Now keep going. 30, 60 seconds total. Then close your eyes. And notice the silence. That's control. Most people try to control their thoughts directly. That doesn't work. You control your attention, and your thoughts follow. Do this anytime your mind is racing. Simple, but very effective.